This is Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. Good season this year. Yeah, we're going to have a good one.
Yeah, this year.
See you later, mate. What's the name of the shop? Shopping centre. Shopping centre. See you later, mate. You're welcome. So, bazaar just means market in Turkish, and this is a massive market. All the retailers, food, clothes, shoes, barbers, accessories, everything in one massive marketplace. And that's the Grand Bazaar in Marmaris. So, okay, there's about 20 of these, you know, like just off each other. All different. Yeah. You wait for me? Yeah. I'm here. Yeah. I'm here now. How are you, mate? All right? Good. You all right? Good, thank you, mate. Good. Oh, very nice. What about Nike Air Max? Where's the Nike Air Max? How much are these? Just so we know.
Oh, sir, not your size.
No.
£10.
£10? Yes. Cheap. Cheap, mate. Çok güzel. Çok güzel. Oh, honestly, sağ ol, mate. Thank you.
My TikTokers follow you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, mate, thank
Very
you.
nice.
Sağ ol. Thank you. Three brothers?
Yes, three brothers.
Let's have a look, mate. How are you, mate? All right?
I'm alright, my friend. How are you?
Bags. Lucy, when you looking at bags?
Yeah.
Let's have a look at three brothers.
Yes, please.
In Grand Bazaar.
Yes.
Let's have a look, mate. What? Shoes and purse?
Shoes and bags, yeah.
Very busy shop. Lots of wallets.
That's lovely.
The wallets, how much are they? That's lovely.
£5 purse.
£5?
Yeah.
Cheap, mate.
Innit?
Very cheap. So shoes one size, one side, bags the other side.
One size fits all the shoe.
What was your name, mate?
Sorry?
What was your name, sorry?
Ferhat.
Ferhat, nice to meet you, mate.
Nice to
All
meet you, my friend. I follow
Wait,
you in TikTok.
where you from?
I'm from Birmingham.
No, where you from?
In here?
Where you from?
Marmaris.
Yeah. No, where you from?
Şanlıurfa.
Şanlıurfa. I've been
Yeah.
Şanlıurfa.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I went to Şanlıurfa.
Yeah.
And I went to Siverek.
Siverek.
I've been.
Really?
In Şanlıurfa. Really, I've
I'm
been.
in Siverek,
I
yeah.
down it. Oh, you're from Siverek. Oh,
Yeah.
second year.
Randa this again.
Yeah, where's your? So you're Zaza?
Yeah, I'm Zaza.
So now don't rip me off.
Yes, exactly.
Everyone good? So three brothers, yeah?
Yes, three brothers.
Thank you very much, mate.
Thank you, my friend.
So, thank you. Nice to meet you, mate.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, mate. Gully gully. Oh, around somewhere. Del Boy?
Yes.
In Grand Bazaar?
Yes.
JD Sports, the real one? Yeah. I'm alright, mate. You okay?
Very good, you?
Yeah, good.
Who's been all day?
Well, it's okay, mate. Just video all the time, mate. With this one, JD Sports in Grand Bazaar.
Best in Turkey, best
Yeah.
in Marmaris.
And you got My Style Boutique. Look how nice that shop looks. Jesus, very nice. Oh, how are you, mate? All right. H&M, looking good, looking good.
Want to go to check his head?
All my family's here.
Where they are?
They've just walked, big group.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah,
I
just
was on
walked,
this
mate.
side, that's
Just
why.
walked.
Yes.
Well, yeah, this look. The H&M looks good,
In the
and
Prego.
What?
I'm in the Prego.
yeah, it looks very nice, mate. Smart, nice. I can't. My family's just walked off, but I'm here 2 weeks, so I'm going to come back Grand Bazaar as many shops as I can. Right, so I've lost everyone now. I've lost them all. I don't know where they've gone. Have they gone right? Have they gone left? Oh, there they are down there. Hello, mate. Yeah, good, thanks you. Look at that. Lots of restaurants, takeaways in Grand Bazaar. People playing the games there. Right, so this is the breakfast at Florida restaurant in Ishmael.
Pancake.
Chocolate pancakes. Wow, get up there. Right, so the reason that I go for the full Scottish is because I like the black pudding. It does come with a tatty scone as well. We've got bacon, we've got a square sausage, 2 eggs, mushrooms, tomato, beans, and 2 toast. Same as before, if not better. Well played, Florida Bar. That's why they've been here since 1989. Knocking out spot on food, cheap prices, and even the drinks are cheap as well. Each one of them drinks is a double. When you're getting 2 for £6.50. Make sure you check out Florida Bar in Ishmael. Right, so we are at Blue Bay Platinum Hotel. We've came here for 1 night. All we wanted was a hotel where we could do all inclusive, use the pool, have food, have beers and leave. I know in peak season some of them do it for like £50 a day, but then you leave. Kev over there found us an absolute bargain on booking.com where we all got a room. We've got 4 rooms between us, the kids, two kids to each room, and we all got it for like £32 each, which is nuts. All inclusive, all your food, all your drink, and Blue Bay Platinum. It's a hotel me and my dad used to stay at quite a lot. We used to have a raki at 10 o'clock in the morning, even though we hate raki. So it's quite emotional for me to be here, but it's one of my favourite hotels in Marmaris. And the beers are flowing. Now just over at the snack bar, there is a main dinner service, but this is a snack bar where they've got fresh pizzas. Now if them pizzas were served to me in a restaurant, I would say choc gazelle, beautiful. Thank you mate, so let's see what they've got serving here. Wow, Kev's just had these, he said they are beautiful. So we've got fish, battered fish, pasta bolognese, spaghetti bolognese, flavoured sprouts, onion rings. Don't forget, this is just the snack bar. Got chips and fried chicken wings. Who doesn't love fried chicken? And then just over there, you've got burgers, wraps, and there you've got the kebab. Beautiful, and all this is all part of the all-inclusive at Blue Bay Platinum. What a hotel. Let us know what you think if you stayed here before. The main food is inside, that is just the snack bar. But for me, I love it. It's one of my favourite hotels in Marmaris. Right, so tonight's trip to Zane's is very, very quick. Just after the Middlesbrough game, they've just lost 1-0 to Portsmouth. These are wounded. I'm a Stockton Town fan, but Stockton Town lost as well. Gutted. So we're having a quick shop around. Matty, Buddy, I'm on a look around. I've got my few bits. I've got some sprays. I've got t-shirts. I've got hoodies. Got a cap for Oscar. But I will come back and do a proper shop, because when you're at Zane's, you can't just rush in and out. This is mine. This is what I've got. You can't just rush in and out. So later on in the week, I'm going to show you a full shop at Zane's Clothes Shop in Armatellen. Right, so now because we're staying a second night at Blue Bay Platinum, which is unbelievable, we're actually getting a lift now to the Villa in Ishmael to pick up some clothes. Matty and Buddy are going to check out of Alvaro apartment, which they've got a class deal there. I think it was like 30 quid a night. But because we've got such a good deal here at Blue Bay Platinum with booking.com, I'll put all of this on the website, by the way, danielsfood.co.uk. Oh, Ted. Because we've got such a good deal online, we're staying here for another night, all inclusive at Blue Bay Platinum. Hello, mate.
Hello, mate.
So all of that will be on danielsfood.co.uk. Right, so just before me and Buddy jump back on the electric scooters and head over across the road to Blue Bay Platinum, we came over to see Reg at Picadilli. Come over to see Reg. He's tucking into a steak. That's how good the food is good somewhere when the owner is sat there eating it himself. He's smashed in a steak. Last time, Reg, we shared a pizza.
Yes.
Pizza was very nice.
The best pizza.
Nick's Pizza, I said it was the best pizza in Marmaris.
Honestly.
Really, really good pizza. Now me and Buddy are going to have a Jaeger bomb at Piccadilly. Reg is going to have a Coke.
Just Coke.
Coke bomb. We're going to have a vodka Fanta. Chin chin everyone, come and visit Piccadilly in Marmaris. Cheers, Reg. Thank you.